this is my little presentation for the shampoo bar. Take your shampoo and see that the shampoo is written fait avec amour, meaning made with love. Wash your hair very damp. It needs to be super wet. It will lather very quickly when you spread the bar everywhere, even under. Then put it aside and just wash your hair with your hands to spread all the foam everywhere. Once you're done, just rinse thoroughly. Your hair is clean. Now all you need is to hydrate and nourish it with the conditioner.